1, 2, 3. Okay guys, today I received my package from Amazon. I've got something from Amazon and this is my very first time of unboxing a realistic doll. So let's open this up. Oh my god. She is so adorable. Oh, and she's heavy too. Oh my. We've got a certificate of birth and authenticity. Wow. Ooh. Oh, look at her hair. She's so cute. We have to brush her hair. OMG. Can you see her face? She's sleeping so nicely. Oh my god, she is so adorable. We have to pick her name. I think I'm gonna call her Micah. Take a look at her. Oh my god. I gotta go and get some brushes. Hang on. Okay. Let's brush her little hair. She is so cute. Right now I do not have a real brush for hair, but I gotta go brush it delicately because she's got a very fine and delicate hair. Isn't she cute? From now on, her name is Micah. She is so beautiful. Look at her. She's got her underwear. And let's put on her bow. Let's take her pacifier first. Oh, she is so beautiful. Look at her. Hi, baby. Say hello. You see her hands? Her nose is so tiny and cute. She must weigh 2 pounds, maybe 1 pound. Alright guys, if you want to buy this little realistic doll, I will put the link down below and leave your comments. Today I will be giving this away, beautiful, adorable realistic silicone baby doll. I just reached 3,000 subscribers, and this is my giveaway at the end of the month. So you will have 30 days to wait to get this beautiful, adorable 10 inches Micah. I name her Micah. So leave comments down below the video, and also share this video to be qualified to be in the raffle. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, and leave comments why do you think you deserve to get this little girl Micah. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Good luck to the winner at the end of the month. Bye.